étudiants 7th standard. I welcome you all for this new session 2, leçon 9, ma maison. So last class we were seeing this beautiful lesson about house. So we have been learning all the vocabularies based on ma maison. So I taught you this French passage and I gave you the translation in the last class. So today we will see a new topic which is related to grammar, as well as we will have a small revision on the previous class. Okay, fine. So let's get the books ready. I'll give you one reading practice and then we will go to the revision. Okay, shall we start? Follow with the pencil. Ma maison. Manuel décrit sa maison. Ma maison est belle et très confortable. J'habite avec mes parents, ma sœur et mon frère. Au rez-de-chaussée, il y a un salon, une cuisine et une salle à manger. Nos chambres sont au premier étage. La chambre de mes parents est grande et leur salle de bain aussi. Ma chambre est assez grande avec 2 lits. De ma chambre, je peux voir le jardin. La chambre de ma sœur est petite. Il y a un garage pour notre voiture. J'ai un petit jardin autour de ma maison. Mon salon est grand avec ses meubles. Une table, des chaises, un divan et des fauteuils. J'aime ma maison. So this is the reading of this French passage. Now we'll see an animated video. Ma maison, leçon 9. Manuel décrit sa maison. Ma maison est belle et très confortable. J'habite avec mes parents, ma sœur et mon frère. Au rez-de-chaussée, il y a un salon, une cuisine et une salle à manger. Nos chambres sont au premier étage. La chambre de mes parents est grande et leur salle de bain aussi. Ma chambre est assez grande avec 2 lits. De ma chambre, je peux voir le jardin. La chambre de ma sœur est petite. Il y a un garage pour notre voiture. J'ai un petit jardin autour de ma maison. Mon salon est grand avec des meubles, un divan, une table. J'aime ma maison. Mon salon. So these are the things which is surrounded in our hall. Okay, so I'll just explain you one by one. So it is le climatiseur, l'ordinateur portable, le canapé, le coussin, la télévision, le téléphone, le tapis. So just these objects, as you see, you can learn. Okay, le rideau, ma chambre, le tableau, la commode, le matelas, la chaise, la lampe, l'oreille, la couverture, le lit. Ma cuisine, la cuisine à gaz, le robinet, l'évier, le micro-ondes, le réfrigérateur, le placard, la télé. Okay, that's it. So far we have seen what is there, which is surrounded in our house, either the objects or the place where it is. We have been learning all these things. Even you can learn from here. The image is given. Mon salon image is here, and ma chambre et ma cuisine. So using these images you can learn the objects in your house. Okay, and just a reminder for you, today's online test will be based on this exercise number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Because last class you saw the video but you didn't write any test regarding the video. So this is just a revision based on the lesson which has been taught in the previous class, that is the French passage and English translation. You will have a 10 objective type questions and it will be in a choosing format. Okay, you can choose the answer and you can easily select the answer and you can finish the test. Okay, so we will go to today's topic. Today's topic is nothing but les adjectifs possessive. So if you are in different page, please take page number 1 or 2. Today I am going to just introduce what is adjective possessive, and we are going to see why it is used and when it is used. Okay, adjective possessive is nothing but an adjective which is used, okay, to say my pen. For example, if you have a pen, you can say my pen. For example, see here, my pen, my books. Okay, when you say it belongs to you, you will say my. So like that, for each and everything you can say my father, my brother, my sister. Okay, so we have to use according to the subject. For example, if it is je, okay, for my you have to say mo, masculine, ma, feminine, and me, masculine and feminine plural. Okay, let's see with an example. If I say mon père, that means masculine. That is, father is a masculine. Okay, my father, my mother. Mother is a feminine. So we used to ma mère. Okay, my mother. Mes parents, that is my parents. Okay, mon père, ma mère, mes parents. The same way, ton père, ta mère, tes parents. So you can say for with a different example, ton frère, ta sœur, tes cousins. Ton frère, ta sœur, tes cousins. Son oncle, sa tante, ses amis. See, the difference is frère is masculine, that is brother, so ton. Sœur is feminine, so ta. Tes is plural, so tes cousins. So means his or her. So, son oncle, sa tante, ses amis, son fils, sa fille, ses enfants. So using this, we can create sentences. Okay. So first we will see first three: je, tu, il, and elle. If it is my, it is mo, ma, me. All three, the meaning is my, but the utility is different. Mo should be used for masculine, ma for feminine, me for plural. The same way, ton, ta, te. Son, sa, se. Again, son, sa, se. Because il and elle, they will have his or her. So, the meaning for this is mon père, ma mère, mes parents. So, this is what we will see with the example. We will go for nous, vous, il, elle. So for nous, the meaning should be our. Okay, it is our pen. For example, myself and my brother bought a pen, and someone is asking whose pen is this. We say it is our pen. So for our pen, how you have to say in French? Notre, notre, non. Notre oncle, notre tante, nos cousins. For vous, it is your. So your in French is votre, votre, vos, votre père. So we can say your father with respect, your mother, your parents. Okay, and the last thing is il and elle, that is their, Both are common. Leur, leur, leur. Leur frère, leur sœur, leur cousin. Leur ami, leur ami, leur ami. See the spelling different for ami. Here it is AMI, that means masculine. AMIE means feminine, and AMIS is plural. So like this, there will be a slight difference. As you practice, it will be suitable for you. So we'll see one by one. When is adjective possessive used? Possessive adjectives are used to denote one's possession. Mon livre, mes livres. So if you want to say my book, you have to say mon livre. At the same case, if you want to say that in plural, it is mes livres. Second, the possessive adjectives agrees with the object possessed. For example, mon robe, mon livre, ma robe. So robe is feminine, so always it will be ma, it will not change to mo. And livre is always masculine, it will not come to ma livre. Okay, so that is the second one. The adjective possessive is repeated after each noun even in the same sentence. Mon père et ma mère, mes frères et mes sœurs. The example is my father and mother. But even though if you say my father and mother, in French you have to say everything separately. Mon père et ma mère. That will be equivalent to my father and mother. You cannot say mon père et mère. This ma should be included so that denotes my mother. Okay, that is very important. And the fourth rule, small rules, simple rules, don't take it very complicated. Okay, so as you go for a sentence, it will be easy. The feminine singular form of ma, ta, sa becomes mon, ton, son before a vowel and a silent h. Very simple. Even though it is a vowel and it is feminine, it should become mo because it is a vowel. Okay, it's very simple. If you see a vowel, always it is mo. Even though it is feminine, you should use only mo. Even though it is feminine, you should use only son. Even though it is h silent, it should be son. To make it simple, if you see a word with a vowel, even though it is feminine, you should use only masculine adjective possessive. That's it. My friend is, or her friend is a bit. So everything is covered here. We will see this detailedly when you get into the exercise. So based on this, you try exercise number 1. Okay. For example, I'll help you. First one. Nous fermons la porte de dash maison. So no. First one is no. So first let's go to no. So where is no? Here it is. No is here. Okay. So masculine is notre, feminine is notre, and plural is nos. First we have to understand the question. Nous fermons la porte de dash maison. So maison is feminine. So what should we choose? Notre, notre, no. So in that column, for feminine what is given? N-O-T-R-E, notre. So use notre here. Okay. Sometimes the answer may vary. That is not problem. Dash montre petit. So here the answer may vary because montre means watch. Okay. Sometimes I will say my watch is small. Sometimes I will say your watch is small. So any answer will suit this place. For example, you can say mon montre petit. Sorry, montre is feminine, right? So ma montre petit. That is one is correct. Or you can say ta montre petit or sa montre petit. So you can choose any of the feminine adjective possessive here. That's it. Very simple. So where is the feminine adjective possessive? So this column you can choose because it is a feminine word. Okay. So from this you can choose any of the word. So like this I'll do two more and you have to do the other things. Vous portez dash gants. For example, vous. So let's go for vous line. Vous, votre, vos. So gants, it is in plural, G-A-N-T-S. So the answer should be V-O-S. Vous portez vos gants. Okay. So like this you have to find. So for example, one more I will do. Il dit bonjour à dash professeur. So il, I-L-S. So what should be the answer? Either L-E-U-R, L-E-U-R or L-E-U-R-S. So professor is masculine. So L-E-U-R is the answer. So rest of the things you have to try. Next 5 you will try. Okay. Using this tabular column, find the answer. If it is je, see in this column. If it is elle, see in this column. So like this you can choose the answer. Answers may vary. Don't think only one answer will come for one question. Sometimes the answers may vary. No problem in that. Next class I will show you the answers for this. You try this exercise. And I repeat, this exercise I will not ask for today's online test. Today's online test I will not ask this. Instead I will ask only the French passage based exercises. I will show you. So only this will come for today's online test, and the exercise which I showed you now, that is your homework. Exercise number 1 is your homework. Okay. So don't confuse between the topics. So we are done with today's session. Today I introduced you what is this adjective possessive. So what you do is you practice this and you also take this in your classwork, as I already said, and just remember these rules. Okay. And if you are free, please write and see this tabular column on your own, so that it will be easy, because this adjective possessive will repeat in 8th standard also. So it will be good for you if you practice now itself. Okay. So today's session is over. So what all we see today? Today we saw lesson 9, French passage revision we saw, and we saw a new topic, that is adjective possessive. Okay. So what is adjective possessive? Anything if you want to express in the form of adjective, you can use mo, ma, me, and you can join with the noun to make it a adjective possessive sentence. You can use mon père, ma mère, mes parents. So using this you can form the sentence. Okay. So keep this in mind and practice for today's online test. Let's come back with a new topic in the next class. Okay. So that's it for today. Please do your homework and get ready for the online test which I showed you now. Merci mes étudiants. Bonne journée.